Hey everybody, welcome to day 3 of our workshop. Today you should make sure that you have posted your introductory discussion forum posts. You should also review the first readings in the course to orient yourself to engagement resources for online students. Finally, you're going to have your initial discussion due today with 2 follow-up responses due tomorrow. For our discussion, you're going to be serving as the expert. You're going to create a post where you advise a colleague who complains that students aren't interacting with each other in the discussion forums, that they're not interacting with the material, and they're not contacting you, the instructor, for help. You'll include a barrier you've observed while teaching and note how you addressed it. And then you'll provide 2 suggestions for improving student engagement based on the information from our workshop or your own professional experiences. I look forward to your contributions.